Hi, and welcome to the first video of 2023. So I want to wish every one of you guys a very happy new year. And I have to thank you guys all for the amazing year we had in 2022. Reached a lot of new milestones that I never thought this channel would actually end up reaching. So thank you to every single one of you that watches my videos, subscribes, turned on the notifications, and just watch every single video. I appreciate all of you guys so much. So what we did in 2022, we've done like a lot of beginner projects. We created a bunch of different GUI applications with PowerShell. We looked at PowerShell 7 in like a tutorial way, which we kind of redid the PowerShell 5.1 tutorials, but using 7. We also saw like a lot of cool modules like import Excel. We also looked at Selenium a little bit as well. In 2023, we're going to start off the year by doing a video series on Elastic, and the elk stack is what we're really going to be looking at in the long range. It's something I've been talking about quite a bit, and the series is actually going to be starting on the next video. So right after this one, that will actually be starting up. So we're going to be setting up Elastic in a VirtualBox environment. So we're going to have a Windows computer and we're going to install VirtualBox. And then we are going to be bringing up a Ubuntu machine and installing Elastic first, just alone. And then what we'll be doing is we'll be doing a full PowerShell series. So we will be completely interacting with our Elastic environment through PowerShell. We'll be creating a module. So you guys will be able to use that in your own environments as well, and hopefully maybe learn some new stuff. If you haven't looked at Elastic yet, you guys will learn Elastic at the same time. So it's a great learning method. And we're going to be able to store all of our logs in there. It's also used for like search engine. So we'll be able to store tons of data in there and be able to get that data back very, very quickly. And I'll show you some little examples of how we can use it to store like error logs or anything like that. And then further along in the year, we'll be looking at Kibana, which is the K part of the elk stack. And that we're going to be creating some dashboards just maybe for your environment. And then this way you guys can monitor all the different systems that you guys have or monitor the different scripts that you guys have. And we will also be doing this year, we'll be creating some more GUIs with PowerShell. You guys seem to have really liked the GUI series, so we're going to be creating some more GUI tools. We're going to be interacting with Active Directory again, and anything else that you guys want. I will also try to bring up a Microsoft 365 and Azure environment as well, because I know a lot of you guys have mentioned that, and I don't have one for myself right now. So I'm gonna try to bring that up in probably at the beginning of the year and try to just get some stuff working, to have some videos for you guys to be able to interact with Azure and Microsoft 365 if you guys need some help with that as well. And we also got a lot of requests for creating some more API endpoints using RESTPS. So I will be creating some more videos where we'll be creating some API endpoints using RESTPS. Again, maybe interacting with Active Directory or anything else that you guys really want, including maybe that one will involve Microsoft 365 and Azure as well. And finally, since we looked at beginner projects in 2022, we're going to be looking at advanced project ideas for PowerShell in 2023. So similar to the beginner projects, how I kind of laid out a bunch of different ideas in one video and then started looking at solutions to them in the following videos. It'll be the same thing. So I'll release the advanced project ideas, and then throughout some time, we will actually be solving those in one way. Of course, there's always multiple solutions to these problems, but we will be solving them together on the video so you guys can learn and follow along with that tutorial style. Also, if there's anything else that you guys want to see on the channel, like a specific module, if you guys want to see more of something like Selenium or RESTPS or GUIs or anything like that, like please let me know in the comment section, because that's how I kind of just guide towards what you guys want and what you guys are looking for. This way it's more beneficial for you in your learning journey. So I hope that's kind of what to expect in 2023. Of course, as the year progresses, we're going to have a little bit more of these talking point videos. But I can't thank you guys enough for the amazing year in 2022. And I hope to see all of you guys in 2023 and maybe some more faces as well. I'm going to try to be a little bit more steady on Twitch as well. But I've been it's been kind of crazy, and that took kind of like a little bit of a back burner. I still stream here and there, but I'm also might try some YouTube live videos since a lot of my viewership definitely is on YouTube as well. So once again, I thank you guys for the amazing year. I wish you guys all a very, very happy new year. Hope you guys had some amazing holidays. And again, that next video will all be about setting up that environment for the Elastic series with PowerShell. So you guys don't need to have 2 computers or anything like that. So thank you guys again, and be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and be sure to hit that notification bell to be notified when that next video comes out, and I will see you guys on the next video.